We start with the latest on the trial of Choi Soon-sil. The court held its first preparatory hearing on the massive influence peddling scandal this afternoon. The main defendant herself was in court, where her lawyer denied all the charges against her. Hyesung has our top story.
The first hearing in the case against Choi Soon-sil took place at the Seoul Central District Court at around 2 p.m. Monday. Choi made an appearance, though she wasn't required to do so since it was a preparatory hearing, and experts say it was a show of her determination to defend herself. During the hour-long hearing, the court reviewed the charges against Choi, which include meddling in state affairs and abuse of power. Choi is also accused of using her close ties to President Park to force Korean companies to donate more than $65 million to two government-linked foundations, Miru and K-Sports, along with President Park's former aide An Jong-bum. Choi's lawyer said in court that she is not guilty of the charges against her, citing a lack of evidence.
I said all that I could during the hearing, and I made it clear that there was no collusion between Choi Soon-sil, An Jong-bum, and President Park.
Interest surrounding the trial, which is open to the public, was high. The court raffled off 80 admission tickets last week, and all of those seats were filled on Monday.
I watched the hearing because I wanted to see Choi Soon-sil in person. I hope prosecutors find the evidence and let justice be done.
At 3 p.m., 5 other defendants, including music video director Cha Eun-taek, who allegedly used his ties with Choi Soon-sil to win key culture-related government projects, made appearances in court. The Seoul Central District Court is expected to review the charges against key figures implicated in the corruption scandal, including Choi, and set the trial schedule. Kim Hae-sung, Arirang News.